I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to take apart Chevy Equinox key fob full guide. Begin by removing the mechanical key, then use a small Phillips to gently separate the halves and expose the battery and internals. Keep parts organized in order and photograph each step if you need to reverse the process. Handle the circuit board by its edges and avoid touching battery contacts with greasy fingers to prevent corrosion or poor connections later. In this video, I will explain how to take apart Chevy Equinox key fob full guide. Start by finding the seam and easing a small screwdriver into it, twisting just enough to separate the clips. Work around the perimeter slowly until the case opens without snapping. Lift the circuit board out by its edges and note any foam cushions or rubber button pads that may fall free, placing them in order for easy reassembly later. In this video, I will review how to take apart Chevy Equinox key fob full guide. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical videos, and consider a quick recommendation. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for downtime between steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, then get back to work on your fob with confidence. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to take apart Chevy Equinox key fob full guide. With the case open, observe the battery orientation and gently lift it out with a plastic tool or fingertip. Avoid metal contact. Clean contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol for reliable operation, and check rubber pads for compressive wear that can cause unresponsive buttons. Reinstall parts in reverse order and test the fob functions before fully snapping the case closed to ensure everything registers correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.